Viet restaurant in downtown, and it was honestly pretty good. I have one photo I'll show it. But now we're at Voodoo Donuts because we have to be tourists, and it's really pink in here. I'll show you around.
I used to roll the dice, feel the fear in my enemy's eyes, listen as the crowd.
We went to Costco.
Except we didn't go. We just have to carry everything. Of course, I'm carrying the salad. I don't want salad.
What? We made it to the Airbnb. Here's a little tour. This is downstairs, like the basement. There's like a game room. There's pool, badminton racket. I don't know what that is. Chairs, foosball, darts. This is a little TV area, laundry room, bathroom.
Oh wow.
Can we shower in here?
Yep.
Oh.
And poop.
Very important. Oh, we can walk out to the backyard from here. There's like a tire swing. There's a hammock. There's some swings over there too. Let's go back up. Those are the other swings and punching bag. I don't know. This is the kitchen.
Oh, there's mixing inside.
Front living room. The rooms are over here. There's bathrooms and bedrooms. 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms. Oh, this hallway is nice. A little tiny room. Another room. It's like Kung Fu Panda. We came for 1 bottle of soy sauce. Ramen over here. Cooking steak. Oh, that wasn't a sentence. Oh, it's cooking steak. Here's some more meat you can assemble. Say hi. And the fruit table with Ma'an, AJ, Team AJ. This is my plate. The children. Say hi.
The suspect was taken.
We're trying Voodoo Donuts. Taste test. What is this?
This is banana cream pie.
Banana cream
Oh,
pie.
that's the only one
I
I
like
tried.
banana cream pie.
It's kind of sweet though.
Oh, it's artificial. Vista House in Oregon. I don't know where in Oregon though. This is Tad.
I am Tad.
Shut up, Tad.
This is Aiden.
Mother with the selfie sticks. There's, what is this? A lake? Hood Lake. Tad. How was the house? That was so fast. We're entering the house now. It's interesting. Okay, we're going up. Wow, it's the same view but a little higher. This lake is pretty though.
Let me just say this.
We're now walking to the waterfall, I think. We're on a bridge. I think I got a second bite at the second waterfall though. Top of it. Well, you can touch the water here. Amazing. We're on our way to Bridal Veil, which is another waterfall, but we made a stop. We made it to Multnomah Falls. Look at Tad's hair.
Oh yeah.
I'm the artist.
Wow. Hey! Where's Tab? We just walked up a little bit to the little bridge, so we're closer to the falls. We are river rafting today. It's cold. It's a bit cold. Video. Say hi. Hi. Hello. Hello.
My ham sandwich.
There you go. This one's mine. Yeah, there you go. Goodbye. We are in Powell's bookstore. I don't know what's special about this place.
It's the largest independent bookstore.
Independent bookstore. There's an event in progress.
Attention please, Flight 92 arriving at Gate 6. That's Flight 92 arriving at Gate 6.
We went here for eggs and we ended up with a full cart of ramen and other stuff. And the first day we went to Costco and spent what, $300 and $200 at H Mart because we went to get a bottle of soy sauce. It is 11 a.m. and we are at the beach. It's so cold, but we're gonna be driving a lot today. We're driving like 7 hours today, so we're hitting the beach early. But yeah, this is Cannon Beach, I think. It's got this cannon, I don't know, rock. We're gonna get some photos, I think. I wore jeans because they're comfortable for the drive, but I think they're getting a little wet. So do you. 3 hours left of our 7-hour road trip. Crunchy grape ASMR. This is my lineup. Mocha. Another mocha. Grapes. Chocolate chip cookie that was really good. Water. Hello, we are in Shady Cove. It's giving shady. It's giving middle of nowhere. It's giving yeehaw.
I'm sacrificing him.
You hear that, Tad?
Send help.
You're getting
Send help.
day 5 without food.
I hate nature.
I
hate nature.
Anyways, everything is closed, and we're walking on this empty street.
Trying to get food.
The vegan survival of the fittest, you didn't.